So we've discussed how to play a D major scale in third position. Now let's talk about how to play an A major scale in third position and using half position. The fingering pattern is exactly the same for an A major scale, just one string lower. So starting with the open A string, let's pizz the first 6 notes. A, first finger B, fourth finger C sharp, open D, first finger E, fourth finger F sharp, and then shift again to third position and place our second finger on a G sharp and fourth finger A. Again, just like the D scale, you can match your fourth finger A to your open A. That's how you know you've shifted to the correct place for third position. Let's do that scale Arco that way. I'll count us in, playing quarter notes and repeating the top note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. There's also another way to play the A major scale without shifting to third position. Instead of shifting up to third position, we're going to shift our hand back 1/2 position so that the first finger on the G string is a G sharp. So again, we'll play the first 6 notes of the scale: A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, and now we're going to move our fourth finger where our second finger is, and we found half position. Now play a first finger on the G string and a second finger on the G string. Match that second finger with the open A. That's how you know you found half position correctly. Let's play that scale up and down pizzicato, repeating the top note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's do it Arco. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So now we've played an A major scale using third position and an A major scale using half position. Next, we'll play can-can together using either half position or third position. I'm going to use third position, but if you want to use half position, feel free. I'll count us in. Let's play it Arco. If you want to play it pizzicato for fun, you're more than welcome to do that as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now we've played A major scale using third position, half position, pizzicato, and Arco, as well as can-can using either third position or half position. Whichever position you use this go around, maybe try the next position the next time.